Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine.
Where are you from?
I am from Germany.
Wow, I love Germany. I always wanted to visit Germany.
Great, I would be very happy if you come to Germany.
Thank you so much.
And where are you from?
I am from Japan.
I heard it is a very nice country.
Thank you.
It was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Anna.
Hi, my name is Ali. How are you doing?
I am okay, thank you.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Nice, I live in America.
How long do you live there?
I lived there for 12 years.
Do you live alone or with your family?
I live with my wife.
Really nice, I live with mother. How long have you been married?
I have been married for 7 years.
It was nice talking to you. But I have to go.
Okay, bye.
Hello, John.
Hi, Amna.
How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you working?
I am working in a company.
John, do you like working in the company?
No, I don't like working in the company, but I need money.
Yes, I understand. Where do you want to work?
I want to work at my own shop.
I hope you will get your own shop.
Thank you, Amna. Where do you work?
I work at the school.
What do you do at the school?
I am a teacher. I love my job.
That's great. I am happy you have a good job.
Thank you, John.
I have to go.
Okay, John, bye.
Bye, Amna.